What's up, guys? The morning before my first car festival, so I'm going to get my car washed and get ready for the festival. I hope it's gonna be great. Never been to one, especially as a participant. I've been just as a visitor, but not as a participant. Let's go. The thing is, today's Saturday and pretty much everybody is washing their cars, so I couldn't wash mine myself, so I found this place and they were empty, and hopefully they're gonna wash the car properly and it's gonna look bang on. So the car is washed, it looks amazing, and we are ready to roll. I just need to pick up my girlfriend and the guy with the drone, and then we're going there.
Штуки. И кроме того, у нас сегодня Три, два.
So my first car festival has finished. I'm very happy I was there. It's definitely not the last one. So proud of our Ukrainian people being so enthusiastic about their cars and really like putting the work in, and there were some really amazing projects out there. So definitely a thumbs up. Coming back for more next year and maybe bringing other projects along. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.